Hello, Green Math folks. So today we're talking about rounding decimals. And it really is, I think, going to be quite easy for you if you don't get confused by it being a decimal. Right? Sometimes when something is new, we just see that it's new and we kind of get ourselves scared. So we know how to round. The same rules for rounding applies. So just make sure that we're following those rules, and then everything will be nice and easy. Okay, so let's look at their example. So the example that they give us is 8.3, and it says round it to the nearest whole number, or to the nearest one. All right, so they give us this neat number line, and we can see 8.3, is it closer to 8 or to 9? 8.0 and 9.0 just mean 8 and 9, okay? That means 8 and 0 tenths. Well, if we have 0 tenths, then we don't have any tenths, and it's just 8, okay? So we can see super easily that 8 and 3 tenths, or 8.3, is closer to 8 than it is to 9. All right, the other way we can look at it is we're rounding to the nearest whole number. So our whole number is 8. And then we look at our next number, the number after it, the number to the right, which is 3. 3 is less than 5, so we're going to round down. Okay? If it was 5 or higher, we would round up to 9. So 8.3 would round to 8. For number 1, 8.6. So we're rounding to our ones place. So underline my ones place. And then I check the next number, which is a 6. So that means that I go up. All right. The second set says round to the nearest tenths place. So I'm going to underline my tenths place. And then I check my next number. It's a 2. Does 2 mean I go up or stay the same? Yep, I stay the same. So that one's going to go down to 0. So I'll have 1.50 for that one. Okay. If it helps you, just think of it without the decimal point. So let's look at number 10. Number 10 says 1.59. Okay. So we're rounding to our tenths place. So let's underline that it's the tenths place. And then I just wrote it without the decimal place. So I wrote it as 159. And then I'm rounding it to that place. And the 9 tells me that I go up. So I could write it as 160. And then just change my decimal point. So I need 2 numbers after the decimal point. So 1.60. All right, that is all it is. It should be pretty easy if you don't let yourself get scared by there being a decimal point. Okay, so if you feel yourself getting scared by there being a decimal point, just pretend that there's not one, and then you can add that decimal point back at the end. All right, hope you all are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.